Hey guys, today is February 8th, 2019. I still have a problem with saying 18. And we are supposed to be getting a large snowstorm today and tomorrow, and possibly another system on Monday, Tuesday. I don't know. There's just a lot of snow. So we live in Washington, close to Seattle, and the snow has started, but it has been kind of crazy because we got snow on Sunday. Today is Friday. We have not left the house since Sunday morning, the boys and I at least. Jeremy has gone to work for 2 days this week, but he couldn't go any other day because the roads were so icy, and they were still icy when he did go.
Well, he's been driving in the car around for days for 4 days. No, 3. Because he went to the store.
Yeah, he did go to the store one day.
No, 4. Because he went.
So, anyways, Carter, can you stop, please? So, anyways, they predicted a very large snowstorm that's supposed to hit, and we got a snowstorm, like I said, on Sunday and Monday, and I think we got, I want to estimate about 8 inches, and they are saying that like the Puget Sound area is going to get about 8 inches, so, which doesn't typically get snow, so I'm really curious how much snow we're actually going to get. But it just started. It's about 1 o'clock, and the snow just started. Jeremy went to Costco on his way home last night.
There was barely any food there.
Get a few things because we're fully stocked on groceries, but since they're predicting we're gonna get so much snow, we just wanted to be super prepared and have like gas and propane in case we were to lose power. And we won't be able to leave. Like, we don't have snow tires. We don't have anything. And they don't plow our streets in our neighborhood, and it's very hilly, so it's not safe to go out. So anyways, Jeremy went to Costco. This is what he saw at Costco. Very, very weird. So everyone here is stocking up because they know we're going to be
and 20 carts came
snowed in.
20.
Yeah. He said that a guy pushed in like 20 carts, and within seconds it was just, they were gone. Anyway, so it's been kind of interesting. We haven't been out of the house for like a week, and we're going to be snowed in probably for another week. I'll probably be going crazy towards the end of the week. So anyways, we're going to vlog the experience and show you guys kind of what we go through. But the snow is coming down pretty good right now, and there's still snow on the ground from our last snowstorm that never melted. So this is what it looks like now. So they're not huge flakes, but it is definitely thick.
Oh, look at the shovel. It's already half covered.
Yeah, it's already, like, that shovel had no snow on it.
That is sticking.
It's maybe been 10-ish minutes of, snow like this. So
wow.
We'll see what happens. Very pretty though.
There's got to be like a centimeter on that shovel already.
Yeah. All right, there's that shovel, and it's been 1 hour and 5 minutes, a little over an hour, and we've gotten over an inch, so like 1 1/3 inches, I think Jeremy said. He's measuring 1 hour, and we're supposed to have rain until 4 o'clock tomorrow, or not rain, snow until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Oh my goodness. We could get so much snow. Carter's trying to take the trash out right now. That's what those tracks are there. There's really not any yard left that's uncovered, and there was a little bit ago, so. Wow. Walter's all suited up. He's gonna go out in the snow. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Hold on, there's a Oh, be careful on the stairs. Your sled. Go ask your brothers to help you find your sled.
It's right there.
Okay.
There I see.
Have fun. Oh boy. So quiet quiet out there. Oh, Callie is not very smart. Jeremy cleared the snow here in the rocks and put this, so she had a little roof, and she's going way over. And, oh, well, at least she went right away. Oh my goodness. We're getting so much snow. Oh, Jeremy moved. You ruined it! Well, it's pretty much covered. Oh my goodness, look at her. Look at her. Her feet are frozen. I told her to put on her sweater. She wouldn't let me. These are out front. They made a snowman in the street way out there. And Carter has a huge, looks more like a snow brick now. It's not really round anymore. It's so big. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Our driveway was completely clear and the cars were completely clear this morning. Wow. The branches are so full of snow that it, like, they just keep falling down. Like, lots of snow keeps falling down off the branches. It looks really cool when it happens. Now I'm sure it's not going to happen. There's so much snow on the trees. I think we've gotten just about 3 inches now. So pretty. And the deck never even defrosted or melted at all, so I don't know if that grill's gonna be something we can get to. Alright, it's almost 5 o'clock and it looks kind of like, I don't know, it's like really thin. Oh, the light just turned on. It's hard to tell, it looks kind of like foggy, but it could be too because I just turned on the dryer. But anyways, the snow's kind of stopping, and maybe, I don't know, Jeremy hasn't measured, maybe 4 inches? It's hard to tell. But everything is very, very covered, and stuff, there's like icicles, like it's like freezing, hanging off of these lights even. So pretty though. I don't know if you can tell, but that branch is totally just touching the ground. The branches are so low to the ground. That bush is just laying on the ground. They're so heavy with snow. Ooh, you can see it's not snowing hard, but it's getting windy. Blizzardy. Can't even tell there's a step here. It's just flush with the other ground. Oh wow, look at that tree. It looks like it's gonna fall over. Oh, I like that tree. I told Jeremy that that tree was leaning over so far, and he said he's gonna go shake it. So this should be interesting. My feet are wet because the children keep walking in here with their wet boots. I like how I'm recording everything from inside because it's too cold to go outside. You don't cut! Oh, good. Take off some branches with it. That wasn't as exciting as I thought it was going to be.
Nope,
It's very
it didn't come off very easily.
icy. Oh, looks like the kids are coming in now. After I just suited Coulter up.
Of course.
Will you go check on Mapey? It is midnight and still snowing. And it's starting to get windy. But we're gonna go to bed. These trees, I tell ya. It is Saturday morning now. Boys are out. You can see how deep the snow is. Little Coulter and Cooper. I'm gonna say we got probably 8 inches yesterday, between yesterday and last night. It's a lot of snow. Plus about maybe 4 inches that was still on the ground from the last storm. And there's more snow coming tomorrow night. All right, it's Saturday, kind of afternoon now, I think. I don't know what time it is.
It is.
Yeah, it's Saturday afternoon. And what did Papa make us?
Pretzels.
Papa made us homemade pretzels. So we're gonna
I got
snack
hit.
on these.
I got hit by
I
a chair.
did go measure the snow, and we got 8 inches between yesterday and last
Wow.
night. Now it is just
dirty.
really, really windy, and Carter's still out there sledding, so that crazy boy. Anyways, we're gonna eat our pretzels. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and hopefully we'll have another vlog when the next wave of snow comes on Sunday night. So thanks for watching. We'll see you later. A lot of snow. Are we ready? Yeah. So cold.
You are gonna regret this so much.
You've done this before. Oh,